In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make advanced animation in Elementor. In order to do this, head over to elementor.com, then click on this Get Started option right here in order to create an account, or click on this Login option in order to log into an existing one. So we need to actually host Elementor. To do this, head over to wordpress.com since it will serve as our host. Click on this Get Started option in order to gain an account, or click on this Login if you do already have one. Now, if you want to make advanced animation, you first need to head over right here to the website. You can create a new one, or I have in here this already made. So onto this part, you can apply an animation to text, image, or video. I'll just choose in here a text. So for example, we have in here this product text right here. At the ring, just click on that. Head over to the advanced option that we can see right here. Now into this, you can actually scroll down, and under that you can find the motion effects. Make sure to expand that. So you can enable scrolling effects, but it's only available to the Pro plan of Elementor. You can also enable mouse effects since it can also be enabled and it will give an advanced animation option. Sticky can also be enabled but on the paid plan. So for this case, the only thing that we can add is an entrance animation. You can expand this right here and choose in here the animation that you wish to use. So for example, let's choose roll in animation and that is what it looks like. You can change the swing right here. You can change the animation that you want, change the duration as well as the delay for this as well. So that's how you create advanced animations in Elementor. Do take note you can apply it on any widget, container, section, or column. Thank you so much for watching.